Open house, Sunday, June 10, 2012, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. This an exquisite ranch-style residence that brilliantly blends classic character with impressive renovations to create an enchanting home you will fall in love with. This meticulously maintained 3-bed, 2-bath Pittman property has an expanded eat-in kitchen with high-end finishes such as solid maple hardwood floors, craft-made cabinetry, and a stainless Viking cooktop. Dazzle dinner guests in your open-concept dining living room complete with a warm and cozy fireplace. Relax in your spacious 25 × 24 feet great room with its cathedral ceiling, hardwood flooring and custom hideaway media cabinetry. Step outside the gorgeous glass doors onto the grande deck and relax in your hot tub while taking in the amazing view of the backyard filled with majestic trees and evergreen foliage.